In 1991, when I first went to Pyongyang, Kim Jong-sun used a metaphor in explaining the North Korean nuclear weapons strategy, which at that point he was in charge of. He said that the strategy is the barrier that makes the water flow. And I think at the moment we have a real logjam, and we need to find a couple of logs in that logjam and pull on them really hard, and then things will start to change. But anything short of that, we will be log-jammed, and it won't be pretty. So how to break the stalemate which emerged in Hanoi? I think it's fairly clear that the two sides are deadlocked on the nuclear side of a deal. Only a small deal at this point is feasible. If we were in a negotiating strategy with partial sanctions relief, our advice to the United States and to South Korea and to China would be as follows. First is you would allow partial re-export of coal to China in order to pay for the imports from China, particularly of food and other critical goods that are essential for livelihood of the North Korean population. You would introduce a package of sanctions relief designed to introduce microgrids, small-scale renewable wind power, supplemented by local hydropower and diesel generators that are isolated microgrids aimed at either welfare-generating public centers such as hospitals, clinics, schools, so a humanitarian application of microgrids, combined with a potent set of microgrids which you could call megawatts for mines, specifically to allow the gold, the zinc, and other valuable mines to operate, which are currently severely hampered by the lack of reliable power or any power at all. I'm not suggesting all the mines be provided with megawatts of microgrid, but some could be very quickly. And the advantage of these two elements is that within 6 months, you could install these microgrids. From time zero, 6 months out, you could deliver actual tangible benefits. And in the first phase of any breakthrough deal between North Korea and the United States and South Korea, trust building is absolutely critical. It's therefore important you not just have one big project that will take forever, possibly never get completed. You have many small, very fast projects underway. Out of 10 projects, 5 will fail, 3 will be blocked, 2 will work, maybe only 1. But in political and trust building terms, you have 1 left standing, working at the end of the day to show that in extremely difficult conditions, it is possible to do business with North Korea. That's the rapid, immediate response. Accompanying that, of course, would be a strategic dialogue involving all the countries of the region as to what you would do to reconstruct North Korea's energy system in a way that benefits all the countries in the region, not just North Korea. This is a fundamentally different approach to the six-party talks. We need a strategic approach that is regional in nature, benefits North Korea, but also benefits South Korea, Russia, Japan, Mongolia, and China. That should be the fundamental framework.